And the first, you can click your keyboard shift A or shift A, or I'm sorry, you can click the object. After that, you can click the shift tab for the tabs. After that, you can click G and X. Oh, I'm sorry, G and Z for the movement. This okay, and after that, you can click the tab again for the edit mode, and after this, you can click S with the X, and after that, you can like this. Okay. Um, yes, and after this, you can click this, or you can click the keyboard the number 3. Yes, and after that you can click this face. And after that you can click the X. You can click the A for extrude, and can drag to up, or sorry, you can click shift tab for non act the activate this. You can click shift and tab. Okay, after that you can click A again and drag to up. Okay, just like this. Okay. After that you can click scale and X. Oh, I'm sorry. Just extrude like this again, and after that you can click A, and after that you can click S and X. Okay, so like this, can zoom this, and you can click the extrude. Yes, this is just prototype from the box of me. Okay, I will tell you in the next video.